Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of adding an iTunes gift card to your Apple Wallet. Begin by opening either the App Store or iTunes Store on your iPhone or iPad. Locate and tap on your profile icon situated in the upper right corner of the screen, which will lead you to your account page. Once on your account page, keep an eye out for an option that mentions redeeming a gift card or code, typically positioned near the top of the page. Here, you'll be prompted to input the code found on the back of your iTunes gift card. Utilize your device's camera to scan the code effortlessly or enter it manually. After entering the code, confirm it, and voila, the value of the iTunes gift card will seamlessly integrate into your Apple ID balance. To keep tabs on your Apple ID balance, navigate to your account settings. Following the redemption of the iTunes gift card, leverage the balance for various purchases within Apple's expansive ecosystem, spanning the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, and even subscriptions.